do you enjoy that, toobs, eh? Enjoy that. Yeah. Enjoy that. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was hard. That was hard. Everybody else thinks so too. This was a clean bike. Well, I haven't just stopped. I've been stopped for a good 5 minutes. Toobs, stay here. I couldn't talk early on. I couldn't even ride up the big hill. I lost traction, but I'm running 40 psi, which is far too much. I'm going to drop it down to 30 tomorrow. I just couldn't get the traction up the hill. Plus, I'll be perfectly honest, my lungs just wouldn't handle it. They just wouldn't, and my legs. It was a killer, but I did it in 18 and a half, I think it was, which is about what I've been doing, of course, is back at home. But poor Tube, she can't pull at the real slow speeds, and I'm just not going fast enough up the steep stuff, which is what I was worried about. But she goes so fast on the on the slight uphills and the straights and the flats, and that's the first time we've done 5.5k, and she's been still pulling me at the end. That's because I think she hasn't been working on the very steep hills, so that's more for me to do on the steep hills. But I don't think I'm going to be able to get out again today on my own. Toobs has had a great time. That was brilliant. Oh God, that was a killer. I'm going to try and video tomorrow. I nearly came off 3 times. It's so slippery in some of the places. So slippery. Coming down, and some of them are such fast sections. Nothing but slush and wet, and there's bloody mushrooms growing on some of them. That's how damp it is. Bloody mushrooms we're going through. But I'll put the little cheapo GoPro strapped to the front of the bike tomorrow and see if I can film it. I needed a mouth 4 foot wide to get enough oxygen. I only got overtaken by one guy, so he was young and God, he was fast.